Persistent high inflation and a lower than expected contraction of the economy may leave the MPC with little choice but to leave interest rates unchanged this time around. All 20 economists polled by CNBC TV 18 said they do not expect a repo rate cut from the MPC in this policy. Most of the economists we polled are in fact not penciling in any rate cuts in this entire financial year, and it is only after that perhaps that the RBI will be able to bring down the repo rates. So 50% are expecting up to a 25 basis point rate cut over the next 12 months, and a large contingent, almost 45%, are expecting a status quo, that is no cut, no hike. Now to the macro. India's GDP contracted by a lower than expected 7.5% in the second quarter, better than RBI's own assessment of 8.6% contraction, and a notable improvement from the 24% crash that we saw in the first quarter. Therefore, a majority of our respondents are expecting that RBI will change the GDP forecast for the current fiscal to about 7 to 9% contraction. Now, inflation remains the other big challenge for RBI. With the exception of March, inflation has consistently been above RBI's mandated 2 to 6% target range for the entire year and touched a 9-month high in the month of October. So 55% of our respondents believe that RBI may forecast a 5.5% CPI for the Jan-March quarter, and none of the 20 respondents to our poll expect any change in the MPC stance, which is expected to remain accommodative. Now, while the rate decision for the MPC would be a relatively easy task, taming the sustained higher inflation and, most importantly, addressing excess liquidity in the system will likely dominate the MPC debate. Now, some of the economists that we asked said it is possible that the CRR, which was cut by 1% in March and was supposed to be rolled back only in March 2021, might be partially rolled back a little earlier. Some believe RBI may even consider using the Standing Deposit Facility, or the SDF, to manage extra liquidity, under which banks can park money with RBI without collateral. Others are even expecting RBI to continue with OMOs, perhaps even announce another LTRO for targeted lending to help certain segments of the economy. Now, RBI has time and again maintained it will do whatever it takes, but what exactly is that whatever? We'll find out soon enough.